Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to buy USDT on Coinbase. To buy on the Coinbase mobile app, tap Buy and Sell from the home screen. Next, tap Buy and then tap the asset you would like to buy. Now enter the amount you would like to buy denominated in crypto or your local currency. To make this a recurring purchase, select One-Time Order. Then, choose Recurring Buy and select how often you would like the purchase to repeat. After that, tap Review Order to review your purchase to make a change. If all the details are correct, tap Buy Now to complete your purchase. Minimum purchase amounts apply and may vary depending on the individual crypto or payment method being used. If you try to purchase less than the minimum required, you will be advised. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.